welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming this makeup tutorial. I did like first impressions. I tried some new things. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't seen it, then go ahead and keep like watching so you can see how I did this makeup tutorial. It's like a talk through type of thing. I've been putting those on my videos lately. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video because I want to see too. Let's get this party started. I have a sample of this is the Origin GinZing Energy Boosting Moisturizer. I'm actually gonna try this to see if it's good. I'm gonna put a little bit because it's just energy boosting. I take a little bit. Oh wow, it's very moisturizing. Alright, it smells like orange. So far, I hope that it gives me energy. Oh, I'm gonna prime. I leave everything down below. Alright, I'm gonna try, I have a couple of first impressions. I'm gonna try, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Correcting palette. They actually sent me this and a couple of more things like highlighters and this foundation. They sent me the exact same shade, so I'm gonna try it. Not the foundation I already tried it. If you don't follow me on my Snapchat, you should follow me because sometimes I do first impressions there, or like I show you guys things that I get, unbox and everything, and I do like mini makeup tutorials too. It's not all the time, but it's sometimes. White brightens any color, so whatever part of your face you want to highlight, this is it. Okay, I think I'm going to use the yellow for my inner corner. Wow, I just woke up my eye. I had never used loose pigment glitter, and yesterday I used it and I was like, and I took so many pictures with my cousin. She helped me out and she was like, I'll take you the pictures, I don't mind. And I was like, really? Alright, I'm trying, this is from LA Colors Wowie Brow Pencil. Okay, my shade is soft brown. Oh, the brush feels nice. There's some brushes that I do not like. Okay, I think like this is like a reddish brownish color. It looks reddish. I'm trying this for the first time. This is from Beauty Creations, aka Colorina Makeup Studio. They gave me this. This is cruelty for you guys, this palette. Like, I'm excited to try this. This is a dupe. They basically, what they do is they have dupes for like palettes. It's like Hush, you know, but like in an actual store. Puerto Rico, it's in San Juan located, so go over there. They were so kind, and I chose this palette because I have so many red, brown colors. I don't have a lot of cool tone palettes, so I got this one. And I don't think it has a name. There are brown tones, but I don't have like, I don't know, I feel like they're cool tones because I don't have like these colors anywhere. I don't have these ones. I need more grays, you know, because the look that I want today is like a gray bluish color. For the first time, also another first impressions, set my eyes with the banana powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Back to the music. Yesterday I saw that Catherine was pregnant. I saw the vlog. I was like, oh, finally, she deserves it. She deserves it. And I just feel like, finally, baby Elle's gonna have another baby. actually like this 3 colors, like brown, gray. All right, I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm only putting the slightest bit. I have this metallic eyeshadow palette. It looks so beautiful, you guys. I swatched it through Snapchat and it's so beautiful. I kind of was kneeling. I wanted to use this silver one right here, but should I? I don't know. Should I use that one or should I go with the blue one? I think I should go with the blue one. Blue one is like a beautiful color. That's like one swatch, you guys. Oh my god. This made that. I got this from the same Colorina makeup factory, and it's beautiful. I saw it, I was like, ah. And I regret not getting the colorful one. There was one that had purple, pink, yellow, red, blues. My cousin actually got it. I forgot to do my wing liner. It looks good like this, but look at that shimmer. Now I feel like I'm in a galaxy. I didn't wet the brush, you guys. If I wet the brush, it was gonna be more pigmentation. Look at this eyes, you guys. I'm obsessed with this eyes. Oh my god, I've never done blue, like this type of blue. It looks like a galaxy type of thing. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit of Forever Lit since we have white, just a tiny bit, and I'm gonna put it only over on the cheekbone, like right there. So you gotta like, you see that white? Which color I should go with? I kind of wanted like a nice pink-ish color. This one. Take a little bit of that, put it right there. Should we put a gloss? I think we should put a gloss, but no, because the gloss that I have is like nude, so it's gonna blend in with the color, so I don't think we should do that. Why does it look so light on camera? It doesn't look like that in person. Alright, I'm gonna brighten this a little bit. It kind of looks like that in person. I don't know if it's because of the inner corner, but at least this yellow made a difference as soon as I put it on. You guys saw. So thumbs up for this. The brow, I think I chose a reddish color, which definitely doesn't go with my color, but looks blended. As soon as I blend it, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, but I do like how the product, how I put it on, and how it went, how so far it's holding on my brow. Also, this eyeshadow, I definitely give it a thumbs up. I love that gray right there. I love how it blends. I like that it's super light, and I also like, I'm excited to try more colors, especially the purple ones over here. So yes, the pigmentation is really good, and it doesn't have fallout. It surprisingly doesn't. Maybe when you tap it a lot, it like leaves it a little bit powdery, but otherwise than that, it's amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys on the next